Starting a YouTube automation channel in today's landscape isn't what most gurus tell you it should be. If you're thinking about diving into this space with Tube Magic AI, there's a smarter approach that'll actually put money in your pocket instead of draining your bank account. Most people jump into YouTube automation completely backwards. They spend thousands hiring teams, chase viral entertainment content, and wait months just hoping to get monetized through AdSense. Meanwhile, they're burning through cash faster than a house fire while competing with thousands of identical channels making the same recycled content. Here's the brutal truth nobody wants to admit. Traditional YouTube automation is broken. Those scary story channels and top 10 lists, they're commodity content competing in an oversaturated market for audiences who aren't buying anything. You're essentially building YouTube's business instead of your own. The real money isn't in entertainment content that takes millions of views to generate decent income. Smart creators are making more money with fewer views by solving actual problems people will pay to fix. We're talking about targeting audiences with expensive problems who desperately need solutions. Instead of starting another faceless horror story channel, think like a creator entrepreneur. Pick what I call problem niches where people have $1,000 headaches. Business struggles, health issues, relationship problems, financial stress, productivity challenges. These audiences aren't just scrolling for entertainment. They're actively seeking solutions and willing to invest in them. This is where Tube Magic AI becomes powerful. Rather than using it to generate generic entertainment scripts, leverage it to create valuable educational content that actually helps people. Use the AI to analyze successful problem-solving videos in your niche, then remix the best elements into something even more valuable. Here's your 3-step framework for success. First, choose a specific problem sub-niche. Don't just pick health. Target something like natural sleep solutions for new parents or productivity systems for remote workers. The more specific, the better you can serve that audience. Second, start lean with what you have. Use your phone, free editing software, and Tube Magic AI to prove your concept works before hiring anyone. Your first 10 videos should focus purely on delivering maximum value while establishing your expertise in solving that specific problem. Third, monetize from day one. Don't wait for YouTube's partner program. Set up a system where every video naturally leads viewers toward a paid solution, whether that's your own digital product, high-ticket affiliate offers, or consultation calls. The symbiotic system works like this. Create supporting content that funnels viewers to what I call money videos. These are longer form videos that provide massive value while naturally leading to your paid offerings. Every piece of content serves dual purposes, generating immediate value while building toward bigger conversions. With Tube Magic AI, you can efficiently create scripts that follow proven conversion frameworks. The tool helps you analyze what's already working in your space, then craft content that improves on successful formulas. You're not inventing from scratch. You're strategically building on proven foundations. Think information DJ rather than content creator. Take the best insights from multiple successful videos in your niche and remix them into something more comprehensive. Tube Magic AI excels at this approach, helping you identify winning elements and weave them into cohesive scripts. Your content doesn't need to be perfect or revolutionary, it needs to be helpful. People will pay for clarity, organization, and step-by-step guidance, even if the underlying information exists elsewhere. Your unique angle and presentation style become your competitive advantage. The beauty of focusing on problem-solving content is sustainability. Entertainment channels live and die by viral moments. Educational channels build loyal audiences who see real value in your solutions. One subscriber who buys your product is worth hundreds of casual viewers who never engage beyond watching. Revenue diversification becomes natural with this approach. AdSense becomes bonus income rather than your primary revenue source. You're building email lists, creating digital products, and establishing affiliate partnerships. Tube Magic AI can help you scale this system efficiently. Use it to generate video ideas, create scripts that follow proven structures, and help with titles that attract your target audience. Don't fall into the team building trap too early. Prove your concept works profitably before hiring anyone. Many creators spend thousands on production teams while their channel concept remains unvalidated. The golden window for this approach is happening right now. AI tools like Tube Magic are sophisticated enough to create professional content, but most creators haven't figured out how to use them strategically. Remember that views don't equal money. 1,000 engaged viewers seeking solutions in your niche are infinitely more valuable than 100,000 casual entertainment seekers. Success with this approach requires consistency and patience, but not the kind of patience traditional automation requires. Instead of waiting months to get monetized, you're building revenue potential from day one. Your YouTube channel becomes the center of a business ecosystem rather than just a content library hoping for ad revenue. Each video serves your business goals while providing genuine value.